This is your new home. First, we need to clean the octopus. Salt. Squeeze thoroughly. Water. Wash it thoroughly. Cut the octopus tentacles into small pieces. Hey, Luna! Give me a noodles.
Okay.
Wow!
I want to buy this. Okay. Here's your noodles.
Thank you. Noodles. Water. Boil. Get it out. Cooking oil. Onion. Bell pepper. Octopus. Salt. Oyster. Chili powder. Chili sauce. Mix it. Nearly done. Noodles. All right, finished. Here's your noodles. It looks so yummy. Let's try it. So delicious. Have a great day, my friends. Oh, what happened? Are you okay? Let me help you.
Thank you. Heal for you.
Wow, thank you so much. Let's go home. Potato. First, we peel the potato. Boil the potato. Water. Take it out. Next, we need crush it. Add a little salt and black pepper, chili powder, and a little flour. Mix them well. Then put the mashed potatoes in a bag. Chill for 15 minutes. Let's party!
Woo! Yoo-hoo!
Hey, Lily, they're yours. Okay, thank you. Cheetos and Takis. Cut it into small pieces. Okay. Fry it up. It looks so delicious. Take it out. Put half into a bowl of Takis. Put the rest into a bowl of Cheetos. Shake it up. Wow! Yeah! Wow! It's really tasty. Time to eat. So yummy!
Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel.
Yahoo!
Wow, the room is so bright. Teeny, what happened? Okay, I'll make crab chili sauce Singapore for you. First, we need to clean the crabs with salt. Clean it. Coat the crabs with flour. Rub evenly. Now we will fry the crab. Done! We need to prepare spices. Now we will puree the spices in a blender. Now we will make the crab sauce. Water. Chili sauce. Sugar. Black pepper. Salt. Mix it. Now add the crab. Pour sauce evenly over crab. Okay, done!
Wow!
It looks so delicious! Teeny, let's enjoy! So yummy!
Jump to win challenge.
Have a nice day! Welcome to my channel!
Oh yeah! Let me play first.
Uh-oh.
My turn.
Ouch! Oh, I'll join this challenge. I win!
Congratulations. Here's your reward.
Oh, thank you! Oh, wow! I have an idea. First, we have chicken thigh. Vinegar. Chili powder. Black pepper. Garlic powder. Rub evenly. Yogurt. Cheetos is indispensable. Crush it out. Flour. Garlic powder. Chili powder. Mix it. Perfect! Oh my god! I'll use another egg. Milk. Mix it up. Marinated chicken thighs with spices. Cover with a layer of flour. Add a layer of eggs. And finally, Cheetos. Okay, done. Cooking oil. Now let's fry it. Flip the chicken thigh so it cooks more evenly. Cook. Take them out. Wow, it looks so delicious. So yummy. First, we will clean the squid. Pat the squid dry. Remove the head and skin of the squid. The squid is so fresh. Cut into peaks. Teeny, you secretly ate Cheetos again? Oh no! You'll probably need water! Flour! Salt. Garlic powder. Chili powder. Black pepper. Mix it well. Milk. Egg. Teeny, I want you to pound the Cheetos. Thank you. Teeny? Cheetos. Roll the squid in a layer of flour. Add a layer of eggs. Add a layer of Cheetos. Done! Let's fry them. Squid. Done! So attractive. Time dinner. So delicious. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Wow, Let's go to the beach supermarket. Oh no, my pufferfish! Aha! I want to buy this pufferfish.
Here you are.
Okay, thanks you. Let's go home. Take the flesh of the fish. Cut into small square pieces. It's done. Ketchup. Chili sauce. Sugar. Black pepper. Vinegar. Mix it up. Teeny, I need egg. Can you help me? No, I need a bigger egg. Okay, thank you, Tinny. Egg. Flour. A layer of eggs. Add a layer of flour. Fry them up. Take it out. Cooking oil. Onion. Tomato. Bell pepper. Sauce. Pour them into the lemon. Okay, done. It looks so attractive. Time to eat. So delicious. Teeny, reward for you. Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel. Today we will go crab catching.
Yippee!
Amazing!
Come on! What?
No! Ow, no! Let's go home now. First, we will boil the crab. Boil for 15 minutes. Done! Now we'll get the crab meat. Crab meat is so fresh.
Run!
Crab, don't let me catch you! Now we mix beef with crab. Salt. Black pepper. Mix it up. Let's shape it. Fry them up. Okay, done. We will need avocados. Cut them into small pieces. Salt. Black pepper. Puree them. We need a pack of Cheetos. Cheetos. Rice. Egg. Oh my god, I'm really clumsy.
No, 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 no!
Yeah!
clean it. Add a layer of eggs. Add a layer of Cheetos. Let's fry it. Done! We will decorate the Cheetos crab burger. Add beef, tomato, cheese, cucumber. Wow! So attractive. Just enjoy it. So delicious. Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel. Woohoo! Hi, Mina. Your lollipop looks so attractive. Shoo!
Hey, chicken! Lily, you are so annoying!
Sorry, Mina. I'll make another one for you in my home. Chicken thighs. Cut and shape them into lollipops. Okay, done. Black pepper. Salt. Garlic. Rub them evenly to absorb the spices. Hello, chicks. You're so cute. Are there a lot of eggs in the garden? Okay, let's go to the garden.
La 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 la.
Wow, so many eggs. Just take it home. All right. Egg. Cheetos and Takis are indispensable. Roll chicken thighs in flour. Flour. Roll chicken thighs in flour. Add a layer of eggs. Add a layer of Cheetos or a Takis class. Let's fry them. Cooking oil. Let's take them out. Wow, looks delicious. Let's enjoy it together. Mina, here's your lollipop chicken thigh.
Yummy!
So delicious. Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm so sorry. Let me help you.
Okay. Thank you. Your reward. Next time, don't play around on the street anymore.
Cheese. Cut cheese into small pieces. Sausage. Slice sausage. Done.
La 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 la.
Are you hungry? reward for you. Now, 1 sausage. 1 cheese. Okay, done. Flour. Milk. Egg. Mix it up. You are so naughty, Tinny. Roll through mixture and breadcrumbs. Cooking oil. Let's fry it. Let's take it out. Mayonnaise. Chili sauce. It looks so delicious. Let's eat. So wonderful. So yummy. Hello friends, welcome to my channel.
La 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 la.
Ooh, wow, these snails are so attractive. Let's go home now. We will clean the snails. Rice washing liquid. Chili will make them release their slime.
Run!
We will prepare some material. Onion. Garlic. Parsley. Hey you, do you want to run away? We will boil snails. Lemongrass, lime leaves. Okay, done. Take out the snail intestines. Butter. Mix them together. We go to the garden to pick mushrooms. Okay, done. process of it ripening looks fascinating. They look so attractive. Let's eat. So delicious.